Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is May mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Taurus. Taurus, messages from your person, and so let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Taurus. High Priestess with King of Cups under the deck. I think you are started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition, and someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. For some, it could be a new person, for some, it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. But someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you, and you are listening to your intuition. For some, you are manifesting something into your life. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and the Death card. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio, especially. So let's see. I think there is no partnership, there is no collaboration between you and your person in recent past. So that's why you decided to cut off this person from your life. You are setting boundaries because you deserve best, you want best, Taurus. That's why you gave clarity to them, then you cut off that person from your life. For some, you both are in no contact situation, but I am seeing one type of ending between you and your person. Then present Three of Cups, King of Pentacles, and Two of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. For some, third party situation also involved in this connection. Third party means friends, family. It could be anything, but something is involved. I think family issues. For some, work pressure. Definitely third party involved in this connection. I think you are more focusing on your career, creating more money. And for some, one person in this connection have options also, but you are thinking about them a lot. Then future, Four of Swords, Eight of Cups, and the Empress. You are healing from past pains. You are doing meditation to heal yourself completely. And Eight of Cups, maybe you decided to walk away from this connection because for some, they are not available to you when you need them emotionally. There is no equal give and take. Maybe for some third party situation. That's why you decided to walk away from this connection. Then you are healing yourself, and you will also overcome this pain in near future, and you will stand by your power, the Empress energy. You are taking your control back. It is very, very beautiful energy, Taurus. You are more focusing on your focus is on your money. Yes, creating more money and creating financial stability. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person, Taurus. Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. So let's see their current feelings, Taurus. Knight of Pentacles. I think your person have so much love towards you. King of Cups is here, and this time maybe after once you gone, they started realizing you both. They really want to work on this relationship. They're thinking about to work on this relationship because Eight of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. Truth coming out. They want to communicate with you. They want to give clarity. And Knight of Pentacles. Maybe this time your person is serious about you, and they are in very, very slow moving energy. But this person serious about you. So let's see their intentions. Taurus, their intentions. I think your person right now is at some crossroads and they want success in this connection under the deck Six of Wands, but they have to make some decision before coming towards you. That's why they are trusting their intuition, listening to their higher self, asking their guards, asking their guides to guide them. So I think they are trusting their intuition and they are spying on you. They are watching you, Taurus. Page of Swords energy. And for some children's also involved in this connection and they are at right now crossroads. They don't know which decision they have to make, but they do love you because King of Cups is here and they really want to work on this relationship, and at the same time they want success in this connection. They are feeling bored without you. They are feeling missed opportunity with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yes, this person have romantic feelings for you, and Queen of Wands, they really want to take action towards you. They're going to be make action very soon. And death and rebirth. Definitely for some it was ended between both of you, but your person still love you. They want rebirth in this connection. Yes, they are planning to come back. Taurus, then it's up to you. For some, your person may be dominative and aggressive in nature. Temperance, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius and Ace of Cups with Ace of Wands. I think for some you are doing self-love and you are restoring balance within yourself, Taurus. You are focusing on yourself, within yourself. And King of Swords, yes, you are very honest in this connection. You are very straightforward in nature. You want to give clarity to them if they approached you. For some, you still have strong emotions towards this person. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, especially. Yeah, you both may be wishing for the same thing and communication and clarity is coming. Taurus and wish fulfillment, you both may be wishing for the same, but your both wishes are going to be granted because the mutual card is Nine of Cups. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Taurus. I am not feel good enough for you. Lot of abundance is coming. All I want is you. Finances and career. And reconciliation. I fantasize about you. So the messages are they are not feeling good enough for you. Lot of abundance is coming. All I want is you. Finances and career and reconciliation. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation and I fantasize about you. So they are fantasizing about you a lot, Taurus. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. A time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo. Maybe you are the person always taking but not giving in return. This is the message for you. So a time to give rather than take. Yes, you have to give rather than take. So you have to give more love to your person. And one more. Surrender to the divine. So if you are not finding solution to your problem, this is the message for you. Surrender your problems to the divine. Yes, in divine timing everything will be okay. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.